Hey everyone, so today we are doing a very exciting video. First things first, you can hear it in my voice. Your girl is sick. What else is new? I'm gonna address it early on and we're not gonna worry about it. It is my life. So as you guys can see from the title, we are going to be opening some wig mystery boxes. Now I am so excited. Mystery boxes was a big thing a little while ago and I'm not gonna lie. I'm excited about it. I'm excited about mystery boxes. I'm so excited about surprise products. I'm excited to, it's like getting, I just realized my ring light is pointed at the wall. What? Okay, hold on. There we go. I can't really tell if that made a difference. But anyways, okay, where was I? So, as you guys may or may not know, I have a ton of wigs. I've done a lot of wig videos, which have made me accumulate quite a few wigs. But also, on the contrary, I actually just love buying wigs. I don't know, it's just an obsession with drag, it's an obsession with that, all of that basically. So it has stemmed a lot of wigs being purchased. And this is no exception. So a brand that I really love and follow on Instagram, Wigs and Grace. No, this isn't sponsored. I bought all these with my own money. They don't know I'm doing this video, but I really love their wigs. So I follow them on Instagram and they did this post basically promoting wig mystery boxes, and I was immediately intrigued. There was 3 different mystery boxes and each was going to be one wig, and it was basically a deal on the wig. Usually their wigs are around $100 US, but the mystery box wigs would be $70 US, probably just like an accumulated like stock that they couldn't sell, or just like the owner wanted to have some fun. I'm not sure. So there was 3 categories. There was vibrant, natural medium to light, and then natural medium to dark. So, you know, I had to buy them all, and I have them right here. Ooh, my nails actually match. Oh my gosh, wow. Okay, but as you guys can see, the wigs are still in the boxes. I have yet to open them. We're gonna get the live reaction, and I'm gonna put them on my head. I tried to keep the makeup neutral, outfit neutral, so that we can match whatever wigs we receive. So let's get into opening these wig mystery boxes. Okay, I just decided to back up because we have no idea how long these are gonna be, so I want to get the full length. But okay, firstly, what is this? I've never received this. I've ordered from them all the time and I've never got a reusable bag, but here we go. We got a Wigs and Grace bag. I've never really addressed the way I say bag on camera, but I honestly can't stop. I've been doing it since birth. I'm so excited! Alright, here are the 3 boxes. It's just the basic boxes that they always come in. They're really cute. They're like lavender. And they got Wigs and Grace on the top. Cute packaging for sure. It's not just like a brown box. It's got the lavender. But okay, so it doesn't say on any of the boxes if it's the vibrant or if it's the light or the dark. So I guess we'll just open up and see. You guys, I'm so excited. I don't know why. I just love wigs. So, okay, you guys are going to see before I am. So, what do you think? What is it? My eyes literally haven't focused to it. Oh, it's pink. Oh, can't even see the wig. What am I doing? Okay, but here's the inside of the box. I've never done a Wigs and Grace video, but, like, it's pretty fun. And then, ooh, little pin comes in here. And also, of course, a little, oh, 2 things for your head. That's nice. All right, you guys, let's see. Oh my gosh, so many packaging. So many packaging. Okay, I'm gonna guess it's blonde. No, wait, what? Oh my gosh. It's like a green. It's a greeny blue with dark roots. I love it. Oh my gosh, so this must be the vibrant one, I'm assuming? Unless it's not the vibrant one and there's more vibrant to come. I would be surprised if this wasn't the vibrant. Oh my gosh, I love it. I literally have no wig like this one. This is so, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Why am I getting overwhelmed? Like, I feel tears forming in my eyes. What's wrong with me? Oh my gosh. Why am I crying? I'm literally crying. I'm so excited. Okay, so all of the wigs from Wigs and Grace are lace front, so I'll have to cut the lace, but I just want you guys to take this in. It's got these stunning curls. It's like a short to medium length, and then it goes into this like light sea foamy blue, sea foam green color. Oh my gosh, this could not have went better. I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, I'm gonna cut the lace front, and we're gonna throw this on. I'm so excited. Let's get to cutting. I always cut my lace really close. Some people don't, but I definitely prefer that. So just leave like, honestly, centimeters, like not much at all. I literally can't believe it. I can't believe this color. I don't know what I was expecting. I think I just didn't even really have an expectation, but this exceeded my non-expectation. Okay, but now I gotta get my hair back. That's always a big struggle. I got a lot of hair. Stretch the cap. I used to always braid my hair to get them in, but now I feel like if I just shove it in and then like try and flatten it out, that tends to work the best for me. My hair is pretty thick, so it's kind of problematic with this. I think we're in pretty good. All right, you guys, so now we're gonna put on the wig. I'm not gonna glue it down or anything just because I have still 2 other ones to try on. Just throw it on. Okay. Oh, okay. Let me just style it a little. Oh my gosh. Ah! Who knew? Who knew I needed a green wig? I'm so freaking excited. The front is a little bit different than what I'm used to. I'm used to more straight across or like pulled hairs, whereas this one is almost like comes in a little bit like a heart shape. It's cute. It's something like I don't have. All right, you guys, there is the wig on. Here is just like a little amateur style with it. If you glued it down and like took that time with it, it would look better. Like I'd stick that back a little, but you get it. You get the look. Honestly, I love it. I love the color. I love the dark root gradient into this, and it's just like, I'm assuming this is the vibrant wig. It's literally green. It's gotta be, right? If this is like the dark wig because of the roots, I'll be very surprised. Like, I think this is the colorful one that we got. So definitely starting off with a bang. If you guys are actually curious about these wigs, I personally really love them. They are lace front, and they're very soft, and they hold a really good style when you first buy them, so you don't really have to worry about that. And they just feel super soft. Like, they're not the type of wig that's gonna get tangled, and they hold a really good volume. So they're great wigs, and I'm really happy to have these like fun ones coming in. Like, I didn't even choose these, and I love them. I mean, I guess I've just opened one, so I can't say, but I don't know. I just feel like I'm gonna love them all. But okay, here is the first one. What do you guys think? Do you guys think I should dye my hair? Do you think I should recreate this with my real hair? Let me know, and we will move on to the second wig. Okay, I'm really surprised that we actually opened the vibrant one first, so I'm very curious to see what the other ones are. Again, got a different pin in this, and 2 more, I don't know why I just want to call them socks for your head, so I'll call them that. Okay, this wig feels heavier. This one feels like it might be longer. Let's see. Eee, I'm so excited. I love wigs. What is my problem? Okay, what is it? All right, you guys are seeing it first. What do you guys think of it? Is it nice? Why do I feel like it's red? It's not red. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's almost my normal hair color. Okay, so I'm assuming this is the light one. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, the lace front on this one looks like it's gonna be pushing it back, kind of like windswept. It's a beautiful ashy blonde. Like, oh my gosh, my hair is not this color. I don't even think I could ever get my hair this color. Like, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. And see, this is what I'm talking about. Like, it looks so natural and healthy hair, but it's also got a little bit of a style to it. Like, it's definitely not like a thirsty looking wig. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Get off of me, you green wig. It's time for a blonde. This is such a nice length. Okay, I'm gonna cut the lace front on this one as well. And we're gonna put it on. I actually don't really have any wigs that are like more natural looking. I mean, I have a few, but even then they're not that natural. So I'm very curious about this one. I'm always scared I'm gonna like fall in love with the way a wig looks and then I'm gonna like change my hair to it. I have never really done anything to my hair. It's like natural and I don't know, it's a big commitment to change it, but we'll see if I ever fall in love with a wig enough to want my hair to look like it. I feel like I would do that. Just like love a wig so much, I just need it on all the time. Lace is off, time to go on. And here's what the inside of the wigs look like, by the way, you guys. Got the 3 clips here, and very nice. Okay, I'm ready to be blonde. The first lay of the wig is, oh my gosh, my camera's like, absolutely not. Oh my gosh. This isn't actually what it's supposed to look like. I just flopped it over and like, here's what we got. Okay, I left a little bit of the lace showing. Oh my gosh, this is definitely like a windswept wig. Like, there's no real dominant part. It looks like it just is wanting to go back like this. Oh my gosh. Okay, sorry. I need to stop. My, like, viewfinder's over here. So I keep looking in it. Oh my gosh, I kind of feel like a rocker chick. Like, oh yeah, this is definitely a more natural looking wig. Like, natural in the sense that, like, if I saw a girl with this hair, I'd be like, her hair is healthy, her hair is beautiful. But I would believe that it was natural. Like, this looks like it could be someone's just, like, normal hair. It almost even looks like it could be my hair. Like, not my actual hair, but it kind of, like, it almost looks like it goes decent with my eyebrows. This is freaking stunning. I love this wig so much. It's got a little bit of, like, a natural wave to it, but for the most part, it's straight. Honestly, a great size on my head, too, because I have, like, kind of a big head. Sometimes they're, like, too tight. I'm assuming this is the light to medium because it's kind of like a light to medium color. Show you the back. Oops, I need to brush it. Okay, there is the back. Looks like just a healthy head of hair. Oh, I swear anyone walks into my basement and there's just like 20 wig heads and I'm just like, I can't explain. Also, there's something about this part that just like always goes backwards that I really like. But okay, so here is wig number 2. The mystery boxes are coming in clutch. So far, we're 2 for 2. Let's see what the third wig is. I am so impressed so far. All right, let's see. I'm assuming this can be the dark one, so I'm expecting like a natural look, kind of like this one, but dark. Again, we got everything in here. Ooh, we got some stickers and stuff, and then 2 caps as well. Also, the inside of these is so cute. All right, I have high hopes. I can't wait. I'll do the same thing so you guys can see first. I'll just judge based on color, or what it feels like. I mean, based on thinking it's dark, I'm gonna guess it's like really dark, like almost black, and it's like a medium. Okay, not really. It's like it's like a chocolatey brown. Oh my gosh, it's cute. It goes up in the bottom. It's got like a little curl. What does the front look like? Okay, this is more like a middle part right in the front. Unlike this one, that's more like swept back. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to try this on. I don't know how many times I've had people ask me like, what would you look like as a brunette? Blah, 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 blah. And I don't have any brunette wigs. Let's see. Today is the day we figure out what would you look like as a brunette. I am dying to know. I'm also kind of dying to know what my mom would look like as a brunette. I'm going to try these on her after. The lace fronts are so good from here. They have a lot of the wispy hairs just so that like it looks a lot more natural. Of course, I found this shop from a drag queen. What else is new? I really love the marketing. Look at this sticker. It's so cute. I want to make stickers. Oh my, who am I? Oh my gosh. Should I be dyeing my hair darker? I'm so confused. I love this cut too. Oh my gosh, no. Mental crisis. Oh my gosh, this wig is so pretty. It's so thick and like it feels so good. I think I would have to maybe steam that down, but let's just assume that from the packaging that it got a little bit messed up. Oh my gosh, look at it behind my ears. My ears look in distress right now, pushing back so much hair, but like, hi. This is seriously so mind-boggling. I've never seen myself as a brunette, and like I've always wondered about it because like my eyebrows are so dark. Like, what would it look like if my hair matched? And what do you guys think? Let me know. Like, am I destined to be a brunette? I don't know. I've always loved being blonde. But, like, this is confusing. Maybe I just like it because it's a little bit different. That might just be more what it is. Either way, though, I am so happy to have this wig. So that is what it was. It was vibrant, then light, then dark. And they were all surprise mystery box wigs, and they were $70 US each. I'm pretty sure it was limited edition. I just saw it on their Instagram and immediately went and bought all of the boxes. It was so much fun. I think 3 for 3. This turned out 100% amazing. If there's any more like mystery boxes for wigs that you guys know of, please send them my way. I want to buy them up. I'm so impressed, excited. I'm trying to think of a third. I don't know a third, but like I'm so happy with all these wigs, you guys. I'm so excited about them. I think it's a lot of fun to have like more natural looking wigs to play with, because like if I want to change my look, in a video, I could totally just use this one. Yeah, 100%. So happy. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. If you guys want to see more videos like this, let me know from what brand. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really want to know your opinion on these wig colors on me. Like, what? Hair is such a big part of, like, your look. And it's like when I change something and I like it, it just puts me in, like, a dilemma because I'm like, should I change it? Should I not? And, like, I like my hair. I don't know. Whatever. I'll stop talking about my hair. There's been enough hair in this video. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!